Hey guys, welcome to AJ's Pepper Patch. My name is Jasper. I'm the owner of AJ's Pepper Patch, and today I'm going to show you guys how I take some seeds that I grew in my garden, chocolate primotelli, and I'm going to show you how I plant them and get them to germinate, so I can have some nice, pretty seedlings. I'm going to turn the camera so you guys can see, and if you guys like my video, like and hit that subscribe button. Don't take but a few clicks. But yeah, I'm gonna get in a few things about planting my seeds from out of my garden, and I have beautiful seedlings that I grow, and I actually use a grow tent over here. You guys excuse my garage, but it's that season. We got less than 2-3 weeks before spring hits in North Carolina, and I'm itching to go. I have some big pretty ones over here. Over here, I have them laid out everywhere. But yeah, you're gonna also excuse the camera because it's my first time using the tripod. So let me go ahead and get into the video. I'm gonna plant some chocolate primotellis. I'm gonna show you guys how I do it. To get your seeds planted in some soil, try to get them to germinate. All right, so what I usually do is I got my pot, I have my dirt, and what I usually do is I take my scissors and I poke a little hole no more than a couple millimeters deep, just a couple millimeters, you see, not too big, too deep of a hole, just deep enough. And take my seeds. Usually if these super hots, I actually use a pair of tweezers, because these super hots, if you're not careful with these super hots, you rub your eye one good time and it's a wrap. you rub your eye one good time, it's a wrap. And then I take my seeds. As you can see, I got my seeds, I got my tweezers, and I look in there and get me a couple good seeds. I got one, let me see if I get the camera to show you guys. I got that one little seed, and I find the little hole that I just made, and I put it right in the little hole. And then what I do is I take about 1 or 2 more, and the other little holes that I made about 5 little holes, because I usually use these pots just to get them to germinate. And once they get a couple inches taller, I usually take them out and transplant them or separate them. That's another step that I would gotta show you guys here at AJ's Pepper Patch. But yeah, if you like these videos, hit the like and subscribe button. Alright, let me push these seeds down in the hole real quick. Alright, as you can see, I got a couple seeds, I got them pushed down in the hole, and then basically all I do is just cover it up like that. Cover it up like that. Slide these seeds over to the side. Take a little bit of dirt, not much. Don't want too much of that crap in there, but a little bit of dirt. Put it on top. I'll press it down, and after I press it down for a second, to show you another tip that I use. Come over here. Got me a little thing I sit my plant in. My cup here. Grab the camera so I can show you guys. And then I have a spray bottle. I take the spray bottle and I mist the top. Try to get it nice and soaking wet a little bit, because that dirt is gonna soak up that water, the moisture, and then it's gonna help that seed germinate, because it has that water. Instead of having dry dirt, it has that water to give it that moisture to go ahead and give it the what it needs to actually germinate once it's warm. So what I do is I do it that way, and as you can see, it's chocolate primotelli, and dirt is very moist. So what I'll do next is I'll take it over here. I have a grow tent, as you guys can see, and as you can see, I have peppers up over here. I got some cayenne over here, some Apocalypse Scorpion chocolate, 7-pot Primo tails. I got a little one just come up. I got some Orange Carolina Reapers, some Primotelli Reds, some 7-pot Primo Reds over here. I have a couple more. I have some more over here that's germinating at the top. I have to do a little cleaning out, but I have variety in here. Then basically what I do after I plant it, I'll take this actual thing and I'll sit it right in here. And then in a couple days, after these start to basically germinate and get as many up as I can, I'll slide those down like I did these tomatoes and other stuff. Yeah, excuse me, I'm a farmer, so I garden everything. But I got some tomatoes in here to go in the garden, and then I'll move them down like these so they'll get big, because once they get these 2 leaves, you're good to go. So yeah, this is a little something that I got going on here at AJ's Pepper Patch. Just want to give you guys exclusive on how I plant my seeds and I get them to germinate. But I do use a grow tent, and I've been using it for about 4 or 5 years, and it's actually one of the best things I had purchased to germinate your seeds faster. It rapidly makes them basically germinate. You can cut it down 50%. If it tells you 21 days, you can say 10 to 12 days, sometimes 5 days. So it's a good investment. But yeah, that's what I got going on here at AJ's Pepper Patch. If you guys like the video, hit the like and subscribe button, and you guys have a nice day.